how to buy protest Pikachu token. So this token came under the symbol of Pika. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you fund on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 7 hours ago and increased by 3000% in less than 4 hours. This token trending number 1 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address, open your funds wallet. For that, as you can see, now click here also and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and place the token address in the search bar. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now click I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see here. Now to select the provider, click on pricing. Now click on provider, select your Jupiter or any one of these, for example. Now click on apply. Go back and as you can see, click here on swap and you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Pika token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.